Oh, that dirt's crazy. Oh, that seat's crazy. I really want to start working on my interior, but first I need the truck to run. Ah, no wonder that's where that went. Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. I apologize that I have not made a truck video in a while. I've been working a lot. I've been working 40 or more hours a week to freaking get money so I can pay for that damn ticket. So I've been working a lot of hours and haven't really had time to open my hood up and run those tests that I've been talking about. And yeah, there's just a lot of things taking up most of my time, especially with school. And you know, that what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna put the fan shroud back on, and then the intake, and then I'm gonna run those tests that my boss told me to run to see if it is the belt tensioner. I also want to thank a lot of you guys, because a lot of you guys also helped me out with the comments on the video of where my truck broke. Alright, so let's put everything back together. Oh, and I also want to buy some electrical fans, so hopefully that comes in pretty soon. That'll probably be the next modification once I get the truck running again, because I want to get rid of this mechanical fan and start putting a little bit more space here. I also want to upgrade my intake because this rubber's annoying. I'd rather get some plastic. That's why I want to go up to electric fans, because like that I have more space and more. Alright, I put you guys a little bit further away in case schooling splashes everywhere. I don't want you guys to get dirty. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. But I'm kind of scared. But let's see what happens. It's coming down hard, guys. Alright guys, so sorry I haven't been able to work on my truck. The footage you guys just saw was from Saturday, I believe, and today is Thursday, so almost been a week since I've popped the hood open again. Nothing went right that day with those clips, so I was like, why the fuck is my engine shaking? And I found the issue. Here's my mechanical fan. Oh, well, I took the belt, the serpentine belt off, and I'm currently taking off the tensioner. So it is not the tensioner because, well, right now it's loose because I took a bolt out already. But it's not the tensioner. The tensioner is actually really good. But look at this water pump. So that shit wobbles, like it skips a step. So it's definitely the water pump. So right now I'm currently working on taking it off. Sorry if you guys are zoomed in all the way. Oh, I just zoomed in. So I'm currently working on taking it off with the mechanical fan. I don't know why. Maybe I'm preparing for electrical fans or something like that. I don't know. You never know. But we gotta get rid of this. We gotta take care of this situation. I should be good if it's the water pump, which obviously it looks like it is. I should be good. Go get a new one, because it's lifetime warranty, I believe. If not 1 year, but it's barely been like 3-4 months with it. So I don't know if you guys seen my video of when I put this new water pump in. Go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to see all the details of taking it off and all that. So because I'm not going to show you guys everything in this video, because I already made that one. So go check it out. And that's how you install a new water pump. Just do not do what I did with the mechanical fan. I suggest you get the actual tool to take that off, because that shit is annoying. But that's if your truck is from 99 to 02, I believe. 03 and up, they should already have electrical fans. Lucky you. But yeah, let me work on taking this off. I also checked every other pulley and everything looks good. Like nothing else is wobbly. It's just the water pump, and that's pretty much it. So let's get this off. The belt tensioner uses a 15 mil, so these other bolts are also 15 mil. So I've pretty much been working on cars all day. Well, at work I change oil, so it's not really working on cars, just changing oil. But yeah, get home to this. I really want to get my truck up and running because I miss it, man. I miss driving it, like really bad. So that's the belt tensioner. I still want to get a new one, you know, just to be sure, be nice and safe. Better safe than sorry, you know? Yeah, you know. Oh, now we gotta take off these 10mm bolts. I think there's 6 of them, 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3 on this side. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 10mm. The famous 10 mil. Alright, so that is all 6 bolts. So let's take this bad boy out. Literally bad because this thing's bad. Like terrible. And it's freaking brand new, man. Where the hell is it leaking from? Okay, let's take it all the way out. Try not to mess anything else up. Oh, still got some liquids in there. Let it all come out. By the way, I have like trays under, so it's not on the floor. If any of you guys enjoy nature or something. Honestly, guys, I think the water pump is fine. Never mind. Yeah, it's definitely the water pump, huh? Well, I better go inside and order a electrical fan. Just kidding. I'm broke. So now we know what the issue is. I need a new truck. Who wants to buy it? Just kidding. This truck's worth more than money to me, man. There's a lot of emotional feelings in this truck because we'll talk about that later. But yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see the way my bank account is set up and see if I could order e-fans, at least from a 2003 to 2007 Sierra, Silverado, whatever, and then the harnesses that it needs, and then get it tuned with the headers and the e-fans by Frank STD, the same guy that tuned my truck. So everything's gonna work out, guys. Just stay tuned. There's still a lot of stuff we got to do to this truck, and we got a lot of time. We're gonna make this thing a beast. But here's my plans. I'm gonna fix the truck, so a new water pump, e-fans, tune, fix the leaks finally, and then start working on cosmetics, which is new hood, new front end, new headlights, a nicer drop, and a paint job because this thing's chipping bad. So we got a lot coming this year. I do want to get it cammed by the end of the year, but we'll have to see it when that time comes and when I actually start searching for cams and all of that. But stay tuned, guys. We got a lot of stuff to do, and we got a lot of plans. Things are coming. So stay tuned with your boy Big O Chubbs. I'm gonna end the video here now that we know what the fuck the problem is, and I'll keep you guys updated. I'll upload in another week or so, or once I I'll update you guys with what's going on and what I'm gonna end up doing. So stay tuned, y'all. But I'm gonna end the video here. Sorry if it was a little short. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Kind of trying to get back into working on the truck because I fucking miss doing this, and I really want to get it to run We gotta get some drag times, man. Some eighths of a mile at Irwindale. So I'm in the video here, you guys. Hope you guys have a good one. Hope you enjoyed it. We're close to hitting 2,000 subscribers. Not really, but we're like at 1,700 or something like that. You guys are freaking awesome, man. Keep it up. And I have more stuff coming up for you guys. Probably another giveaway, so stay tuned. Peace out, everybody. Keep taking care of business. TCB. Look at all this space. Put a big ass turbo right here. Straight into the freaking... I'm just kidding.